Are your Realtek apps crashing due to the Rleasylog Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. While we cover the technical fix for Rleasylog Library, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This is the Rleasylog Library, a specialized Realtek Diagnostic Logging library. It manages the unmanaged recording of audio hardware telemetry and facilitates the orchestration of diagnostic log manifests for troubleshooting Realtek drivers. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Rleasylog Library DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Rleasylog library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. The version of Rleasylog Library DLL found on most download sites is often compiled for different hardware, which can cause your CPU to work harder or crash. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're managing system alerts or background maintenance tasks, the resource below offers general guidance related to Rleasylog Library. If your workstation is back online and Rleasylog Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.